This is for Year 11 Methods. It comes out of 5A, question 5. Sketching a hybrid or piecemeal function and stating its range. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on a calculator. If I go to Math 3, there is my piecewise function. I touch it once, I get 2 equations. I touch it twice, I get 3 equations. In the first line, I need x plus 3. And my restricted domain is x less than negative 3. And then I have x squared minus 9. And that's got a particular domain of negative 3, less than or equal to, because it didn't include negative 3 on the first equation. And that's less than or equal to 3, and the third one, it equals x minus 3, and it has a domain of x greater than 3. When I press X, it's going to say it's undefined. That's okay, I'm comfortable to live with that. I could graph it. Since I actually don't have my axes, I'm going to go zoom, clear all, and it will give me a nice axis in the middle. If I take that and I drag and drop it, there's my equation. And I can see that if I move it up a little bit, there's my parabola. That's going to go down forever and ever and ever. So my lowest y value will end up being negative infinity, and my largest y value will end up being infinity. So I expect the range to be all real numbers. Now, if I hadn't graphed it over here, how would I do this by hand? Well, x plus 3 is the equation that would go through there at 3 and have a gradient of 1, so go through there at negative 3, and I'm only drawing it for that side of negative 3, so instead of looking like this, it would look like that. This is a parabola that is a smiley face parabola and has a turning point down at negative 9. And if I factorise this, I'd have x minus 3, x plus 3. So it's going to have x-intercepts at negative 3 and 3 and look like that. And then this line is for all of the x values bigger than 3, and it would be x minus 3. So it would go through at negative 3, have a gradient of 1, so go through at 3, and that would be what my graph looks like. Whoops. And that's it.